Hey there, savvy shoppers and credit card enthusiasts. If you're an Amazon Prime Visa cardholder, you know how awesome it is to rack up rewards on your everyday purchases. But what if your current credit limit is holding you back from that next big haul? Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to potentially increase your Amazon Prime Visa credit limit. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you even think about requesting an increase, take a moment to check your credit score. This is crucial because lenders like Chase, who issue the Amazon Prime Visa, look at factors like your credit history, payment behavior, and overall financial health. You can get a free credit report from sites like annualcreditreport.com or through apps like Credit Karma. Aim for a score above 700 for the best chances. Once you're confident in your credit standing, log into your Amazon Prime Visa account online. Head over to the Chase website or app, where you'll find your account dashboard. Look for the Credit Limit Increase option. It's usually under Account Settings or Services. If you don't see it right away, don't panic. You might need to navigate to the Help section or contact customer support. When you're ready to request, fill out the form with details like why you want the increase, maybe for better purchasing power or to improve your credit utilization ratio. Be honest and provide any supporting information, such as your income or recent positive account activity. After submitting, sit tight. Chase will review your request, which could take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. Keep an eye on your email and account notifications for updates. If it's approved, celebrate your new limit. If not, they might suggest ways to build your credit further. A few pro tips. Always pay your bills on time to boost your chances in the future. Keep your credit utilization under 30%, and avoid multiple requests in a short period, as that can hurt your score. Remember, increasing your credit limit isn't guaranteed, but with responsible habits, you're on the right path. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's make your shopping experience even better. See you next time.